In this episode of Sailing Dark Angel, we're back aboard Kokomo to swap out her generator. Ever wonder what goes into replacing a major component in a skinny compartment? If you like our videos, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. It's free for you and really helps our channel.
I am back aboard Kokomo. We're going to take the generator out of the bow, and Matt's putting in a new generator. So this is going to be snug because this is really tight, but I wanted to do the intro here because it's really windy out there. Come take a look. So he's got a boom rig that we're going to put together so that we can use the halyards to haul this generator out of the bow. And he's put this board down so that we've got a solid place to set it. And this is the generator locker here. So we've got to get this generator out of this hatch. That should be interesting. So there was a water heater right where I'm sitting, which Matt has already taken out, and yeah, there's quite a bit back here. So it's sitting on this board. We got motor mounts here that he's disconnected already, and he hauled it forward a little bit. I gotta see if I can get in behind and get another look at it. But it looks like it's gonna be snug. It looks like the rear of this thing is bolted to the board at the bottom, but the board itself is not bolted in place. So it's the two front engine mounts holding it in place, and the rear ones are bolted to the board to hold it and give it some stability. It's going to be a squeeze getting it out. All right, so this genius contraption is, Matt's going to haul it up on the chain hoist, and it's got to be tipped over so that it's on its back, and then spun around and lifted out. Nothing to it.
Oh, that's too funny.
I think it outweighs us both.
Yeah.
Careful. Lisa told me not to die, but she didn't say anything about you. Stop. Count your fingers. We're going to count them again when we're done.
Yeah.
That's skinny. Pass the oil filter. Swing it back the other way. Yeah. Keep going? No, you're stuck. This can swing right over. This is clear.
Yeah.
Perfect for a half inch. Okay, pull. Oh, stop.
Okay. It seems like we just need to rotate it a little bit.
Stop. What is this? Fucking dipstick came out. Pull.
Do a romance right. All right.
I like that. I like that.
Well, I didn't overtake this part. It's the chain hoist. Could you imagine any other way doing it?
No.
Okay, we're.
There's Martha looking at us like we're crazy.
Yes, we are.
Woo!
All right. Well, we'll just set it on the flyway.
Way there.
the side.
Yeah. Well, that was handy.
Well, I mean, it was right there against the bulkhead.
I can't see it at all. All right, now all we gotta do is get it over to my boat, put it all the way up in the bow inside.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Turn the salon. That's a nice generator for someone.
It doesn't look too bad.
What size is it?
5.5 kW.
Same as what you're putting in.
Yeah.
But what you're putting in is half the size.
Half the size. And 100 pounds less weight. My little system worked good.
Yeah, that's a great little boom rig.
I'm pretty proud of my little self.
That's some sailor engineering right there.
Well,
That's a wrap. Let's move on to the next one. The first part's done. We've got the generator up on deck. Now the hard part, we got to get it off the boat. So we're all going to get together and just heave it up and throw it over the side and create another mooring. Or we're going to take it ashore, use a boom truck and get it off the boat.
So what are we doing today, Captain Matt?
Oh, we're going to a boat ramp
Yeah.
so we can unload the old generator
Oh.
and we can load up our new generator named
Nice.
Frosty. And it's frosty because it's white like snow and it's going to make the AC work.
Awesome.
So that's what we're doing.
Okay, so let's go uncouple us from the mooring. I think Dave's got the one side already done. And he's just getting us untied from the second side. I'm helping today.
Good
The
to
sun
go.
is starting to come out and apparently we're good to go.
Clear.
Well, how does it look now?
Looks clear.
There's little mooring balls. And this is the beast that we're going to deliver.
I'm not the beast.
Hey, not Captain Dave. And we're passing another boat here. So we're tied up to a boat ramp with Matt's boat. That's right, a boat ramp jetty with Matt's boat. And there they are coming to get this machine. Good morning, Liz. Good morning, It's kind of like moving day. I've never even thought about tying up to a boat ramp dock.
I never saw this coming.
Pretty shallow up here, but we're okay. So far, so good.
Go too deep on that.
He's got it, Dave. Don't worry about it. Both of us are standing here waiting for the shenanigans to commence because we know that the guys can be a little bit, you know, wrong in their in what they're doing. The judgment calls can be a little off, so we're waiting for the shit show to begin. Right, Liz?
Right. Hold
Yeah.
my beer, Lisa.
Yeah.
Hold my beer. No back up.
He's holding the remote control. This guy here. There he is. No, this guy is holding a remote control. Dave's got it connected up. Watch those toes, guys.
This way a bit. One more. One.
Boys with their Tonka toys. There we go. Nice. Good job, guys. So now we have that one down, and it'll be time for round 2. Here we are at round 2 already. We're going to pick up the new one and bring it all the way back over here where the other one was.
The size difference. They're the same size generator.
Wow. So here they are connecting that one up.
That's the next gen Kubota engine, which is exactly what we had ordered before we left the States the first time.
Yeah. I'm curious if the tide is coming in or going out.
It's coming in,
Yeah, I can feel it, like lifting us up.
and that's a good thing. We've got about 6 inches under that port bow,
Good.
which is our shallowest point.
It looks so small.
We should stop saying that.
Nice. Good job, guys.
Thank you.
So what happened, Captain Matt?
I don't know. I think that the switch at the panel got stuck. And
Yeah?
then overheated and started burning.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
We had smoke, didn't we?
We did.
We had electrical fire, a little bit of electrical smoke.
Dave has a nose like a basset hound.
We had smoke.
Either
rolling
that or
out
a
here.
drug dog. Probably a drug dog. They have better noses.
There's that excitement we were talking about. Or no, what do you call that?
It got exciting.
It got exciting.
So there's we were having problems turning on the engine and having the engine shut off, and then it started by itself. So Matt and I figure it's the switch for the engine.
So we're gonna check it out right now. See what's going on down there.
Smoking.
While we were trying to get her back onto her mooring. Which was exciting.
Oh, it worked fine. There's a lot of hacking going on back here.
I know.
Crimp connectors, and they're not sealed, but I don't see anything obvious at this point.
Right?
I can sure smell it. Although we don't have smell-o-vision, but we can smell it.
Oh yeah, it's something got cooked.
There's so much dead wire in this boat.
Yeah,
It's
mine too.
unbelievable.
Seriously.
I'm telling you, Dave, I keep finding more and more dead wires.
These are dead and stripped. Again, I'm not seeing anything obvious.
I'm not either.
There's no heat in here.
I don't smell it from there, Matt.
Yeah, there's just some wires there, but I don't
There's a
see.
wake.
So, what happened, Dave?
Well, we flashed up the battery and I turned on the ignition,
Yeah.
and it's burning right here on the back of the idiot lights,
Okay.
the emergency indicator lights, whatever you want to call them.
Yes.
So I don't know if it's the plug or it's the light pack, but I would probably see if I could get a replacement light pack.
Okay. Now we know.
So it's your indicator lights. So one of these has power in it, and it's shorted out against there. All right, we're back on Kokomo. We're gonna drop the new generator down the hole, and Matt's very worried about his wood getting scuffed up. Can't scuff his wood. On the new platform down in there.
Oh, I just put the fireboard over.
That's okay.
Let it down a little more. And then I'll do it. Okay.
So we're gonna lift it back up as you push it back.
Yeah. See, I can lift up the front. Okay, go ahead.
All right, now you're gonna scuff your wood.
That's all right. Keep going.
I hate it when that happens.
Stuff your Woody.
A little more. I'm pushing. Okay, let me get down here where I can really push. Okay, start letting it down. Give me some slack. Yeah, we're doing good. Okay, I'll give some slack, I'll unhook you.
Hey Matt, is it in yet?
It's in. Boy, it sure rolls around, look.
Yeah.
Because it's sitting on motor mounts.
Is that gonna be too much?
I don't think so.
I hate to break this to you, but that's the new captain's cabin.
Yeah, right?
It's a new doghouse.
Well, Liz says there's going to be a whole lot of hot beer up here.
A lot of hot beer.
Hot
There's an
beer.
awful lot of room in there now, Dave.
There is.
A lot of hot beer up here.
So you're putting a new water heater in too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A nice
And then I've
attempt?
got 2 rolls of soundproofing that's going to go in. So I'm going to buy a Stiebel Eltron 4-gallon electric.
4 gallons. So you're gonna have to heat it up twice for showers.
You don't use that much water to shower.
Well, Lisa's got long hair,
Don't
so
forget.
she uses about 4.5 gallons and I get the other half.
Don't forget, when you
That's where I'm.
hot water is probably 25% mix of the water.
Yeah.
So that 4 gallons, you know.
Matt,
that's
I'm
12
talking from experience. I'm not talking theoretical. I'm talking about showering after Lisa.
Well,
Matt,
listen,
you might
This
want
is
to.
when I
real
wash
life.
My hair, it takes no time at all. Look.
Here she is finished. So there's actually a lot more room in here than there was with the other generator. It's quite a bit smaller, which means we can get at the dipstick, we can get at the belts. The oil filter's right here on the front. So this is actually a pretty nice setup. All right, I think we got it in there. Now it's time for Matt to hook it all up and I gotta go back to work.